biryani on a weekend. So it's Saturday today. Saturday today. We are here. So we always wanted to try Hoskote Dum Biryani, hence decided to visit Raj Dum Biryani at Hoskote. It is located on the service road. If you're traveling from Bengaluru, pass through the toll plaza, head straight for about 300 to 400 meters. You will find it at the left side of the highway. So basically you need to take the service road. And if you don't want to stand in the long queues at the other biryani joints here at Hoskote, you can visit this place. It has a good seating capacity and is open from Tuesday to Sunday from 6 am to 6 pm, and it's closed only on Mondays. It's self-service, all UPI payments are accepted, so you need to take the token first and then get the food. So we ordered chicken biryani, mutton biryani, kebab and leg soup. So they would give a decent amount of rice with good mutton pieces. You get about 4 to 5 mutton pieces in the decent size to finish your food. So the taste wise, biryani is aromatic with perfect blend of all spices, and it's a bit on a spicier side. And we also tried the kebab. And the kebabs were tastier too, topped up with some curry leaves and lemon, sprinkled with some chaat masala on it. Although the food items are limited, you get other meal options along with biryani. You can try it out here. The soup was served hot along with the extra bit of spiciness, which was delicious. This is the back side of the restaurant. Looks like it's kind of a storage area. Since we visited on a Saturday around 11 am, it was less crowded, while the crowd is actually more during the early hours. Now to talk about the pricing is reasonable compared to the quantity that they provide. So the chicken biryani is 150 rupees, mutton biryani is 250 rupees, kebab is 100 rupees, and the leg soup that we took is about 70 rupees. And they're reasonably priced. By the time we finished our food, there was another batch of biryani on dum getting ready to serve. The parking isn't difficult here. It has ample amount of parking space for both 2-wheelers and 4-wheelers. Do visit this place with your friends and family and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. After having the delicious lunch at Raj Dum Biryani, we decided to head towards Chintamani, a place which is very popularly known for its masala peanuts, and also it's exported to other countries. So the place that I'm going to show you is about 100 years old SRIRAMAIAH Hurigalu Angadi in Chintamani, which is known for authentic Chintamani masala peanuts. Well, I'm hoping that I would be permitted to make a video at their home location where most of the processing and packaging takes place. Let's go check it out. So finally we are at the destination, the 100-year-old SRIRAMAIAH Hurigalu Angadi. The people over here were kind enough to let me in and show the process that takes place, starting from cleaning, batching, processing and packaging. So here at SRIRAMAIAH Hurigalu Angadi, they make about 25 plus varieties of condiments and savouries. We explored this place for the first time to try out the authentic masala peanuts. So the best thing about them is that they claim that they use normal salt instead of sand for this process, which is more healthier. And this retailer has a special branded item known as spicy masala peanuts, along with the other type of nuts and savouries. It's a family-run business striving for a century now, and they have maintained the consistent quality and unique taste. Their products are in demand locally as well as in other parts of the state, and perhaps they do export it to US and other countries as well. Many of the vendors of Azad Nagar Chowk in Chintamani have been in business for centuries. Chintamani peanuts are undoubtedly a treasured legacy of Chintamani and its residents. So they also have another shop at Azad Chowk in Chintamani, and these fried nuts are so popular that they are not only brought by the locals, they are also exported to different countries as well. We recommend you all to visit once and try out the authentic South Indian savouries at SRIRAMAIAH Hurigalu Angadi, and do post your comments below if you like it. So overall, it was a weekend well spent. I hope you like this video. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Also check out the vlog on IKEA Bengaluru Complete Tour Part 1 and 2 on my channel. Links are in the description below. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. This is David signing off.